Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 132 here. I just came to do this quick video because this is a hairstyle that I did last night. Took me probably about 10 minutes. I know I wanted something that was gonna be quick and easy because in the next couple of weeks I'm gonna be doing a style that's gonna last me for about a month or so. So I just wanted something quick. Now I just picked this up last night. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the type of hair that I used. Kinky bulk, and it is in the color 1B. And I ordered this a long time ago. I think they sent me like 6 packs for maybe like $20 or something like that. But this is actually a ponytail. And I'm gonna let you guys see me take this out. And I like I said, it's only took me like 10 minutes. So these are like little twists that I did within the ponytail. But I had to take it down. I decided to show you because I have to take it down because I think I put my ponytail too tight and it's actually pulling on my real hair that I have left out. I don't have any cornrows under here to be holding this hair. Like I said, just bobby pins. And okay, I took it all out. Like I said, these are in just some twists. And you know this kinky bulk hair is thick. So I just put not a scrunchie, a hair tie around here, and I think I know I did it too tight because it's pulling my hair. Oh, this is such a relief. Ooh. But this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you what I did also. I'm gonna take one of these out. I actually have my hair left out on the sides, on each side, around the perimeter. So I parted it down the middle. This is what I did. Again, I'm gonna take one of these out to show you guys. It might be kind of hard because it's stuck together. Okay, you guys, as we know, this hair comes into singles, and this is what it looks like. On one end, it looks like this, and then the other end is that straight end. So I clipped the straight ends off, and then I spread the hair apart. Now, like I mentioned, I parted my hair all the way down the middle. I pinned it up right now just to show you for these styles. And in the inside, like I said, I left the perimeter out. In the inside, I have 3 plaits on each side. So I'm gonna show you how I did this. So I'm gonna plait this side up. Nothing fancy. Just not super tight. Just put it in a little plait. I don't even think I went all the way down to the end. Like I said, this is gonna be something that's very temporary. So, but it's a quick style. Protective style at that, to do a quick updo if you don't have a lot of time. And I didn't have a lot of time last night. So there's my plait. Now I'm going to take one section of this hair. Like I said, I spread it out, stick my crochet needle underneath my plait, hold it there so I can grab the hair, pull it through, and I'm just gonna pull one side, and I'm gonna leave it straight, just like that. Now I'm gonna take this other side. Try to go in the opposite direction. Don't go the same way that you went with the previous one. So again, I'm gonna go underneath my plait, find my hair, hook it on, close the latch, pull it through. And there you go. So I'm gonna take this out. So now, like I said, you can do this. This hair is just extra kinky, so you can do this in any style. So right now I'm just thinking about what style I want to do it in quickly because I'm just getting off work and I'm actually ready to relax and lay it down. And let me get my brush it back, brush some of the sides. And I'm gonna try not to do it so tight this time. Okay. I'm heavy-handed and I don't even know it, so let's wrap around once. Make sure you get all the hair through. And then I'm gonna wrap around one more time. One more. Okay. This is what it looks like when it's all up. Now I'm going to take each individual section and just twist it. And that's some twisty, I think. Alright guys, I know this look crazy, but now I'm going to take this hair loosely now and just start wrapping it around itself. So I did that one this way, so now I'm going to do this the opposite. I'm going to go the opposite direction. Let's go this way. Like I said, just play with it. It might not turn out exactly the same way every time, but it's something quick and easy. Keep folding it around. So this one, I'm gonna go this way with it. I want to, you know, bring more to the front, so when I pull it to the front, you can see more of the semi-mohawk of it. I'm assuming that's the look that I'm actually going for. So, and then this one, I'm going to do it this way. It's so easy to tuck this hair under. Now I'm just going to go and take my comb and just like pull this to the front. So, pull this to the front. And I'm going to put a pin here. Put a pin on this side. Now as far as the back, I'm going to pull it the same way. I'll let you guys see. So you can see what I'm doing. See how it's like this? I'm just going to start pinning it down. See how I pull this down? Put a pin here. Yeah. That little hump right there. And then you just go back and look at your sides. Make sure everything's tucked in. Change this bobby pin out because it's silver and you can see it. So let's get one that is still black. You know how fast these things change. And then I'm gonna just pin that down. Alright, you guys, there you go. And I'm gonna take my little glaze, put it on. I'm not gonna do too much, like I said, to it because I did just get out of work, so I'm about to just get in the shower, wrap this up anyway, and just put my little baby hairs down. Put a pin right here, so it'll be, all it can be flat. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like. Turn to the side. Look at it. I'm showing you guys. And I showed you guys the back. This is what it looks like. Quick, easy, crochet style. Again, like I said, I have 6 plaits in my hair. Part it down the middle, put the 6 plaits, crochet 2 pieces of this hair in between it. And this is what I come up with, you guys. Look at it, crochet. You can't even see it. Again, if you like to see more videos from me, you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. I can't even get it out. And tell me exactly what you want to see. This is something quick and easy. A lot of the styles that I do, it doesn't take long at all. I'm just going for convenience and flexibility and short term. So until next time, you guys.